everyone, welcome back to our craft videos. I'm Eva from Dr. Bells. I hope you enjoyed our video last week where our theme was people who help us, and I made superhero masks and NHS rainbows. If you missed our video from last week, you can also find it here on our YouTube channel. So this week in Creche, it's food week, so today I'm going to be making some pasta jewellery, just like this one which I made earlier. For this craft you'll need some pasta, and it needs to be a kind that has a hole through it, just like this one here, so that you can put a string through it. And you'll also need some string and some scissors. And optionally as well, you can also add some paint and some glitter if you like. And for that also you'll need some paintbrushes and maybe a cup of water and a paper towel. And it's also a good idea if you're going to use paint to put some paper down so it doesn't go on the table. To start my pasta jewellery, I think about what kind of jewellery I'd like to make. So if I want to make a necklace, I need a long piece of string. And if I just want to make a bracelet, maybe a bit of a shorter string. You could also make a decoration for around your house, just whatever you prefer. So today I think I'm going to make a necklace. So I'm going to take a bit of a long piece of string, very long, and then I'm going to cut it here. Now you should get an adult to help you with the cutting and with using the scissors. And then I'm going to tie a knot in one end, and this is to stop the pasta from falling off the end. And you might need your adult to help you with this bit as well, because sometimes tying a knot can be a wee bit tricky. You need to tie it around a few times depending what kind of size of pasta you've got. So I'm going to do a few wee knots here just to stop the pasta coming off. Now it's time to add the pasta. So you can count your pasta as you put it on. Count with me. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And as you make your jewellery, you can also think about what you want to do with it. You could maybe give it to your friend, or you could put on a fashion show for your friends or for your adult. So just keep putting your pasta on until you think you've got enough. And when you've got pasta all along your string, leave a wee bit extra at the end. And then what you can do is tie your ends together. And then that will complete your pasta necklace. Here we go. You can wear it like that, or you can add some more things like some paint and some glitter. So today I'm going to add some paint, and I've got purple and orange and blue. So I'm going to take these three colours and I'm going to paint some bits blue and some bits orange and some bits purple. So here we go. And you can use whatever colours you want to use, or you can leave your pasta necklace plain just like that. It's also nice to wear. Once you've added your paint, your pasta necklace, look something like this. Since it's Food Week, I thought about also making an edible version of the jewellery. If you prefer to be able to eat it, you can maybe wear it around your neck and go about, and it's a good wee snack. So if you want to do that, then instead you can use some Cheerios like I have for this necklace here. And it's just the same process, just put it on your string or your ribbon and then tie in a knot at the end. And don't forget though, if you're going to eat your Cheerio necklace, don't put paint on it. Well done everybody. I hope that you enjoyed this craft and I hope you had fun wearing your pasta jewellery. If you do make any pasta jewellery or if you made any of the crafts from last week, I'd love to see it, so please share it with us on our social media, share pictures or tell us what you thought. Next week is Robbie Burns week, so I'm going to be making paper kilts and haggis pom-pom pals. See you later everybody, thank you, bye!